You ever notice how we talk about the weather, even when we're not really talking about the weather? Yup, I'm talking about idioms. Let me show you 5 expressions that sound stormy, but we use them all the time in daily English. The first one, feeling under the weather.
I've been feeling under the weather.
I'm really sorry to call last minute and cancel, but I'm really feeling under the weather, so if you just want to call me back.
This doesn't mean you're literally standing in the rain. It means you're sick. You're just not feeling well. For example, I'm feeling a bit under the weather today. I might stay in and rest. Super common way to say you're not at your best.
He's still feeling under the weather.
I'm honestly feeling under the weather.
All right, number 2, on cloud 9.
You should be on cloud 9.
Work it in. I guarantee you within half an hour you'll be on cloud 9.
This one's fun. It means you're super happy, like floating in the sky. For example, she was on cloud 9 when she got that job offer. This one's kind of dramatic. It never rains, but it pours.
And it never rains, but it pours.
Never rains, but it pours.
It never rains, but it pours.
Basically, when one bad thing happens, suddenly 5 more happens too. Like, I was late to work, spilled coffee on myself, and then my phone died. It never rained, but it pours. We all have days like that, right? Now, let's go with a friendly one. Break the ice.
Well, someone's got to break the ice, and it might as well be me.
No, I'm just trying to break the ice.
You want to break the ice?
It means to start a conversation in an awkward or quiet situation. Like when you meet someone new on the street and say something just to open things up, to open a conversation up. For example, he told a funny story to break the ice at the meeting. And now the last one, and one of my favorites. Every cloud has a silver lining.
Remember, every cloud has a silver lining.
Every cloud has a silver lining.
Every cloud has a silver lining.
That means even bad things can lead to something good. For example, I didn't get the job, but I ended up finding something even better. Every cloud has a silver lining. So which one was new for you? Let me know in the comments. And also, try using one of these in your next conversation. And hey, if this helped, hit that like button down there and also subscribe to my channel for more natural English like this.